Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the best paint for rusty metal on the market. Whether you're restoring an old piece of metal furniture, fixing up your tools, or working on a car project, having the right paint is key to stopping rust in its tracks and keeping your metal surfaces looking great for years to come. We've tested and reviewed 5 top contenders, breaking down their features, performance, and value so you can make the best choice for your needs. Let's jump right into it. At number 5, we have the Enmoyat Weatherproof Rust Converter Paint. This water-based formula is designed to convert rust into a stable, paintable surface, while forming a weatherproof barrier to protect against future corrosion. The included brush makes it easy to apply, and the gray finish adds a modern touch to your metal surfaces. Plus, its eco-friendly formula is free of harsh chemicals, making it safe for indoor and outdoor use. In terms of performance, the Enmoyat does a good job of converting rust and providing a durable, protective layer. It's particularly suited for smaller-scale projects like tools, fences, or garden equipment. However, its thin consistency means you might need multiple coats to get full coverage, especially on heavily rusted areas. Drying time is reasonable, and the paint adheres well to rusted surfaces. But it doesn't perform as well under extreme weather conditions compared to some of the other products on this list. Overall, the Enmoyat is a decent budget-friendly choice for light-duty projects. It's easy to use and environmentally friendly, but its coverage and durability fall short if you're tackling larger or heavily rusted surfaces. Pros include its eco-friendliness and ease of application, while cons are the thin consistency and less robust performance in harsh environments. Coming in at number 4 is the Yivanuo Rust Converter Paint. This product is designed to convert existing rust into a stable, paintable surface while forming a protective shield that blocks further corrosion. It's a water-based, eco-friendly option that's safe for both indoor and outdoor use, and it comes with a brush for easy application. The gray metallic finish gives a sleek, industrial look to your projects, making it ideal for fences, tools, and automotive parts. The Yivanuo delivers a strong weatherproof barrier that holds up well against rain and humidity. Its quick drying time, just 20 minutes, makes it a convenient choice for fast projects. However, its lighter consistency means that, like the Nemoite, you may need multiple coats to achieve optimal coverage, especially on heavily rusted or uneven surfaces. It's worth noting that while the product offers decent rust conversion, it may not be the best option for extremely rusted areas or long-term durability in extreme weather conditions. This product is a solid mid-tier choice for those tackling light to moderate rust issues. It's easy to use, environmentally friendly, and dries quickly. On the downside, it doesn't have the strength or coverage of some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Pros include its quick drying time and eco-friendliness, while cons are the need for multiple coats and less effectiveness on heavy rust. At number 3, we have the Inkdost Weatherproof Rust Converter Paint. This product promises to transform rust into a stable, paintable surface, while forming a tough, weatherproof barrier to protect against moisture and other environmental factors. Its water-based, eco-friendly formula ensures safe use indoors and outdoors, and the included brush allows for smooth and even application. The black finish is versatile and adds a clean, polished look to various metal surfaces. The Inkdost Rust Converter stands out for its durable protection and ease of use. It's particularly effective for items like garden tools, outdoor staircases, and railings. While it provides lasting protection against rust and weather, its smaller size, just 0.2 ounces, means it's better suited for smaller projects rather than larger surfaces. Drying time is reasonable, and the paint forms a solid, elastic layer that adheres well to metal. However, it may not be as resistant to scratching or heavy wear as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Overall, the Inkdost is a great choice for small to medium-sized projects where precision and eco-friendliness are important. Its pros include its strong weatherproof formula and easy application, while cons are the limited size and susceptibility to wear and tear under heavy use. Finally, Taking the #1 spot is the Rust-Oleum 35346 Stops Rust Turbo Rusty Metal Primer Spray. This product is designed for big jobs, offering a 10-inch fan spray pattern that covers up to 4 times more area compared to standard spray paints. Its oil-based formula provides excellent rust prevention, making it ideal for heavily rusted metal surfaces. The flat red primer finish is perfect for creating a base layer that top coats can easily adhere to. The Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Turbo delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. It dries to the touch in just 2 hours, and its durable formula holds up well in demanding environments. Whether you're working on industrial equipment, large fences, or even a vehicle, this primer spray gets the job done efficiently. The large 24-ounce can ensures ample coverage, reducing the need for multiple cans. While it's not waterproof, the primer does an excellent job of resisting moisture and preventing future rust. This product is a standout for its ease of use, wide coverage, and long-lasting protection. It's perfect for large-scale projects and anyone looking for a professional-grade solution. Pros include its fast application, excellent adhesion, and superior rust prevention. The only con is that it's a primer, so you'll need to pair it with a top coat for the best finish. Overall, it's the best product on our list for tackling rust on a large scale. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the best paint for your rusted metal projects. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.